Alright, I think we're good.
They usually would burn my ass. I'm sorry.
Hey. We eat a hot fudge sundae again today. What's going on, YouTube? Or should I do it? Let me do it again. Segway's probably like, dude, shut the f up. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, Aldin, Avdxx, whatever. But today, we're gonna have a quick little video. This one isn't gonna be long. This would have been part of the video that should have went up prior to the one that I just uploaded, but we had an issue with the files getting corrupted, so we, obviously had to scrap that whole idea. So today, we're gonna be installing some more lights. We're gonna do the corner markers, the corner marker little LED bulbs, and then the license plate lights. And then we're just gonna cruise right now to the house. I'll do everything at the house, and that's really it. I'm gonna keep it fairly short. Is that my dad's truck? It is my dad's truck. Well, my sister's driving it, but anyways, like I was saying, so I got the parts in the back, and we're gonna slap them in. Oh, that's purple. That look cool. I gotta stop cussing. We're gonna install them in. Should be a very, very quick install, and that's really it. So I'm just gonna take like the longest possible route to the house. And then this weekend, if I'm not too busy, we're gonna get a couple of the guys together, and we're gonna drive like 40 minutes out to a 7-Eleven in the middle of the night to get some like pictures, and hopefully they'll have their lights on so we can try to post it on Instagram and stuff to get on that 7-Eleven IG. That's not even a definite answer on whether we'll do it or not. I haven't really debated on it. I got a couple things I gotta do this weekend before I can figure out whether I'm going to do that or not. And then hopefully as well, One Stock Shiva will bring his slow little over temp Mercedes back out so we can rerun it, because he's not letting it go now. All he keeps yapping about is, oh, I was running high temps, blah blah blah. So now I want to run it when he's cool, see how it is. I'm sure I'm still gonna whoop him. I'll let him feel great for a second, make him think, your temps were the reason why you lost. And then I think him and Brandon with the Supra are gonna also race again. The Supra is gonna be on E50 now, so hopefully that'll be a sick race, I think. Now, I don't know how well it's gonna go, because when he was on pump gas, that Supra, the Mercedes had about a good bus on him, I'd say. It's almost time to buy a project car, record the whole process of us building it, drifting it, racing it, whatever the case is. She's picking her nails. You want to show them?
No.
Show them how one side's done, the other side isn't. Kill them. They look sick though. She's been practicing her nails, like doing it herself, and it's actually sick. Stuff's fascinating to me. Like me, I like cars. I know how to put car parts on, but that stuff, I feel like I could kill it. If I did it, I could put like a nice little mean turbo on her fingernail.
Remember when I had you do my right hand?
No.
The first time.
I don't remember.
Well, you did not do them very good. They were thick. Oh,
it was thick for a reason. I just wanted to make sure that the paint of, like the coat paint was gonna stick on, or because you coat it. Like I wanted to make sure it stuck, and if just in case you chipped or something, nothing came off. I was just looking out, I wish I had money to shit. I've been looking at a car that I really, really want. I gotta save 100 grand for the down payment. I really want a Porsche GT3 RS, and then I don't mind paying like the additional, like monthly payments on the rest of it. But maybe in like 2 years, I'm gonna make a video of where I talk about the monthly payment and all that on the car, so that way the people who are interested, I know a lot of people do like that stuff, so I'll go into detail with that. I made Dennis lose money, lose a race. Kid's going downhill at this point. I got a draggy as well. I feel like you guys would like a draggy video. I've been looking at downpipes, and I think I'm gonna go with AMS. I just have to pull the trigger. I tried to sign up with that wholesale account like I was talking about, I think the previous video or something, but they haven't emailed me back, so I'm probably gonna call tomorrow and see what's going on. And then I know maybe this upcoming week as well, a buddy of mine with a TTRS, he wants me to order a mid pipes. He's got downpipes already on it. He wants a mid pipe, and that TTRS moves. That thing is quick. I think it's one of the quickest cars in town. One of my buddies, the one that lived here that I talked about with the GTR, his brother has a RS3. Dude, I love that thing to death. It sounds insane. Clean build. I know he hates losing too, but buddy will never keep up with me. Even stock, he might be able to gap his brother's R8, but he's not. Buddy, this stock GTR will still cook you, even though it really won't, but I'm gonna, live it up. We fully straight piped it. That launch control, the way it sounds, it is insane. Dude, that's like one of the top cars I love. I love the way they sound. I love everything about them. It's such a sleeper, man. And I know he's been doing stuff to it. Hopefully that upgraded turbo comes next, and that thing will that'll be a demon. I want to get them in a video one of these times, even though we're entering fall weather, so it's Probably not gonna be anytime this year. All right, well, I'm almost there. I got a little longer. Later, watch my like older brother be there, and buddy's outside and he looks at me like, the hell are you doing? It's like, it's odd to people because, I mean, one, the GoPro is massive, dude. It's like the size of one of my ass cheeks. What?
It's accurate.
It's accurate. See, segue, zoom in. I mean, I don't care. I'm getting used to it. At first, like the first day I was a little uncomfortable because I'm like, dude, what if like somebody looks at me and they're like, what the hell is he doing? But then I'm like, I can start saying that I got this car by making YouTube videos, and then when they click on it, only see 3 videos, 4 videos, 100 views max. It's not gonna make sense to some people, but hey, if they don't know, they don't know. I gotta show you guys the license plate bulbs, or like it's not a bulb, it's the entire assembly. Wait till you guys see how thick and how big these LED strips in it are. Dog, this thing's about to glisten in the nighttime. There's a guy down that road with an Evo 8 that I still want to meet. It's blue. I seen it one time, it's parked in the garage. I don't think he ever pulls it out. I would love to see it. There's not a whole lot of people with cars around here, man. It's dookie bookie. Today, the guy that works for me, buddy's 10 out of 10. He set a damn car on fire today. Dude, he was doing a valve cover job on it and he didn't put the valve cover gasket on the correct way. I don't know how he didn't tighten the valve cover gasket and it started leaking oil onto the manifold and it started a fire. Bro, if he was to burn that car or set that car in complete fire, luckily we stopped it before it damaged anything. But if he did, I would have to punch on him. Well, this is what we got, guys. I'll show you guys. Hold on. Oh, I hope that's not the neighbor. That dude's weird. He's like not like a close neighbor, but he lives up the road. And bro is weird. Look at these though. Dude, look how massive that light is. The Jeep is gonna be the part princess today. Fuck it, throw it on the ground. Now, if you got a GTR or plan on getting a GTR and you wanna know what mod you should do first, these bad boys right here. These are a 10 out of 10 recommend. If you know, you know. If not, let me put you on the clear side marker, which I already put the bulbs in it. I'll show you guys. I already got them in there and whatnot. But now all we gotta do is, as far as what I know, there's a little clip here that we gotta pull out, clip the new one in. We're gonna do that real quick. Let's grab a screwdriver. All right, this should be good. A nice little Milwaukee. All right, so as far as what I know, if I get right in here, I'm gonna grab a light. That way I can see what I'm doing. I'm gonna grab a light bulb, what the fuck? Grab a light. Oh, well, I'm not gonna look. I'll just grab my phone. Can you give me my phone, please? They caught you yawning weird. Weirdo.
You fool. You absolute buffoon. You think you can challenge me in my own realm? You think you can rebel against my authority? You dare come into my house and upturn my dining chairs and spill coffee grounds in my Keurig?
Weirdo. All right. Oh, look at that. Look at that. POV, scratch my paint. I would hate to scratch this paint. Uh-oh. So, these are the old shitty looking ones. Dog, this is about to look sick. Stay back. Stay back. Before I gotta fight, dog. I can't hear you. Hold on. Oh my God. Don't look yet. Is it supposed to sit that far out? In? Let me see this side. No, what the fuck? Sorry about that, guys. Dude, I need to get like a motorcycle helmet. Before, after. Tell me what you think.
That looks fake.
Doesn't it? Guys, so one of my like, I'm not super close to him, but I was really good friends with him. I've known him for like 5-6 years. And he just passed away yesterday, unexpectedly. It was a heart attack. He was 27 years old and he died from a heart attack. That's fucking crazy. Yeah, because yesterday everybody was posting, saying like, you know, posting him on Facebook, and I was like, this is a lie. I didn't believe it at first. Sure as shit, I guess he died from a heart attack. Like I said, dude, he was a really good dude. Really good dude. Fazl did these on his GTR, and dude, it used to sit there, we'd go for a ride, we'd get out the car and bro's whole light is just hanging. Funniest shit ever. I remember, I'll never forget that, man. I used to make fun of him all the time about that. Yeah, they're bright as shit. Now we move to the next thing. It's about to be obnoxiously loud right now. Get a close-up POV. I'm just him. Oh, dog. These motherfuckers sent me the wrong shit. That's crazy. I might still be able to make this work. Damn, install gone wrong. But hold on though. I might be able to cook it up. You might be wondering how I can see. I can't. I worked a little tab off the corner right here. This sucks. If this doesn't work, I'm gonna be mad. I bet you if I cut it a little more. Thank me later, buddy. Who left me in charge? Oh, hold on. This is probably not even gonna go in. Nah, this isn't gonna fucking fit. Dude, that's whack. Well, that sucks. I'm gonna call them and return these. Some assholes. But at least the front looks sick. That's it for the video, guys. I mean, came out dope. Quick little video, nothing too crazy. Simple, I need tires soon. Don't tell me about it, I know. That's gonna wrap it up for the video, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy watching it. It's a bummer, but install gone wrong, so I guess that's the title of the video. Besides that, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, look at her, and that's it. Peace. I'm fucking pissed, bro. That's fucking whack.